Ramesseum Colossus. Although only fragments of the base and torso remain of this massive statue, it would have weighed in at 1,300 tons. In front of the ruins is the base of the Colossus. On the granite Colossus's shoulders is an inscription describing Ramses as the Sun Prince. These inscriptions were added during the reign of Ramses, but the actual site itself is actually thousands of years older. The statue fell into the second court and the head and torso remain there, but the other broken pieces are in museums all over the world. Only fragments of the base and torso remain of the Colossus statue, which would have stood 19 meters high and weighed at least 1,300 tons. The stone for the statue was transported 170 miles overland from Aswan to Thebes. This would have once been the largest statue in the world.